An international workshop on advanced materials and nanotechnology took place from the 3rd to the 5th of November this year in Hanoi. The event was hosted by the Hanoi University of Science in cooperation with Japan's Osaka University, following previous successful workshops in 2009 and 2012. This year's meeting drew the participation of prestigious Vietnamese and international scientists to share the latest trends in advanced materials and nanotechnology. This is one of Vietnam's efforts to boost the research and application of nanotechnology, especially in the healthcare industry.
Tại hội nghị về vật liệu tiên tiến và công nghệ nano mà trường Đại học Tự nhiên phối hợp với Đại học Osaka Nhật Bản và một số các cơ quan khác được tổ chức thì có rất nhiều nhà khoa học hàng đầu trên thế giới đã đến tham dự và trình bày báo cáo. Phải nói là những cái nội dung chuyên môn là có trình độ rất cao và những cái nội dung đấy có những nhà khoa học hàng đầu đấy đến dự. Đây là một dịp hết sức tốt, hết sức thuận lợi để các nhà khoa học Việt Nam cũng như các nhà khoa học đặc biệt là các cán bộ trẻ có cái điều kiện để trao đổi, thảo luận và thúc đẩy các cái hợp tác trong khoa học công nghệ nói chung và đặc biệt là trong lĩnh vực vật liệu tiên tiến và công nghệ nano.
Nanotechnology refers to the manipulation of matter on the nanometer level. A nanometer equals 1 billionth of a meter, or around 1/80,000th the diameter of an average human hair. The micro-scale manipulation may tremendously change the characteristics of the matter. Nanotechnology is considered a scientific and technological breakthrough of mankind, with apparently unlimited applications in many industries, such as electronics, clothing, and agriculture. One of the most important areas for nanotechnology applications is the healthcare industry, particularly the potential of treating cancer on a cellular level. Hello and welcome to Sharing Vietnam. Nanotechnology has been developing rapidly around the world in many areas, particularly the healthcare sector. In our program today, we'll explore this trend in Vietnam with Professor Aichi Tamiya from Osaka University of Japan, who has been working with Vietnamese partners for quite a number of years now. Hello, Professor Tamiya. Thank you very much for joining us today. What is your impression of attending the 2016 International Workshop on Advanced Materials and Nanotechnology in Hanoi?
Yeah, nanotechnology nowadays is very fundamental topics now. So is a good application to any kind of area, not only physics, chemistry, biology, medicine. So kind of a conference is pick out to the very good topics there, very good to balance. So I'm so impressed to the very nice structure of this conference. This is my first impression.
In your opinion, how far has Vietnam progressed in researching and applying nanotechnology?
Yeah, not sure a real number, but I'm collaborating with the University of Vietnam. So not only university, also National Institute of Material, for example. Also another National Institute of maybe Agriculture, Biotechnology. In this institute, they are studying the nanomaterial, nanotechnology. Also, not so small number of researchers study nanotechnology. Sorry, I don't know the real number. But this situation is globally, in my area, so especially my major is biosensors. So compared to the 60 years ago, just around the 2000, so I checked the publication of the biosensors. Just only 5% of the publication is related to the nanotechnology. Nowadays, more than half of a paper is touched with nanotechnology. This is the current situation. So I guess even in the Vietnam. So many researchers touch with nanotechnology.
How do you describe the potential of nanotechnology, particularly in the healthcare industry?
Yes, this is a big potential. Oh, I guess not only nanotechnology. Nowadays, IT, internet technology or information technology should be connected. Don't you know the IoT, Internet of Things, everything connected to the internet. So the biosensor, also medical technology, also device technology should be combined to the internet. So that is very big market future coming. Nanotechnology, one of the key technology to connect it, this new kind of combined technology, I guess. So in my area, especially medical biosensors, this is the target, very early detection of disease, early detection of virus, early detection of other kind of disease. After that is how to treat. Also nano kind of drug, also available. This is the drug delivery. This is a very hot area, nano application of nanotechnology in my area.
On October the 11th, 2016, a seminar on the announcement of Nano FGC complex for cancer prevention and treatment took place in Hanoi. At the event, representatives from the Institute of Material Studies under the Vietnam Academy of Science and Technology said domestic scientists for the first time has successfully produced Nano FGC complex with major advantages over former structures. The new complex is more efficient in water dissolution, packaging capability, protection of medical substances from internal biological barriers, distribution of drugs in the body, concentration of active pharmaceutical ingredients of the cancerous cells. Nano FGC complex is made entirely from domestic herbs, including curcuma, seaweed, and noto ginseng.
Sau nhiều năm tìm tòi và nghiên cứu thì cho đến bây giờ thì chúng tôi đã thành công trong cái việc là dùng công nghệ nano để mà nano hóa các cái bài thuốc trong dân gian, trong y học cổ truyền.
Đó là một cái sản phẩm giúp cho bệnh nhân ung thư có cái tác dụng vừa hỗ trợ điều trị, vừa giúp nâng cao thể trạng và vừa cải thiện được những cái tác dụng phụ mà do cái quá trình điều trị do hóa xạ trị gây ra.
Apart from nanolyzing traditional Vietnamese medicines, local scientists have also made other progress in applying nanotechnology in the healthcare industry. Other applications include nasopharyngeal cancer test kits, diarrhea test strips for children, and separation of DNA fragments for diagnosis. Nanotechnology is expected to play an increasingly important role in tackling major healthcare issues in Vietnam, such as food safety, fast diagnosis of diseases, and supplements for disease treatment. So what do you think of the opportunities for Vietnam in applying nanotechnology in the healthcare industry?
Nanotechnology is, of course it depends on the type of research, but how to make up the nanomaterial. That is not so much infrastructure necessary compared to the semiconductor, electronics. That is the material development, not so much financial support necessary as a first step. That is quite not so difficult to start up with the nanotechnology. Of course, in order to make commercialization, kind of a company should be collaborating. Also, company set up to the infrastructure of factory, for example.
Professor Tamiya, the concerns about cancer are rising in Vietnam. So what do you think of the potential of applying nanotechnology in dealing with the issue?
In Japan also, cancer is a top-ranking disease, very serious disease. But cancer is completely, related to the environmental condition, air condition, food condition, so health condition. That is quite linked to the environmental condition. So I heard in Vietnam nowadays cancer disease going up. That is, it should be considered environmental condition. So the biosensor, nanotech-based, nanomaterial-based biosensor are quite highly powerful tool for monitoring what kind of pollution, what kind of material is polluted in the air, food, especially with the pesticide, heavy metal, with a very serious toxic material. If you have every day, you can take up this kind of food, very easy to become disease, also cancer coming. So to be checked by sensors, even the housewife can detect it, also consumer, also logistic people. Many process step can be checked. But in that case, the not so high expensive machine not available. Maybe small sensor, also priceless low-cost sensor, but is important. So now tech-based biosensor is possible to apply kind of a market.
What are your recommendations for Vietnam to strengthen the application of nanotechnology in healthcare?
Yeah, I have some experience to the startup in my own company. My main position was professor of Boston University. Also, I am a president of a biodevice technology company. This is a very small company, so I have experience to how to make up to the business. So maybe kind of people, maybe university, for example, the Vietnam's university professor also try to set up to the company. That is, academic person, very strong art, very good art, has a very original point of view. But this is a very, how to say, just a scientific interest is best. Not a little bit far from business. But should be combined to the industry people, how to say, kind of management people also combine together and then make up to the new product. Kind of a collaboration important inside your country.
And finally, what do you think of the ways for Vietnam and Japan to enhance cooperation in nanotechnology for healthcare?
Of course, the university interaction is also important. So how to educate its student, how to educate its researcher. This is how to make out to the human resources. That's the one of our stage. But final goal is how to make up to the new market. So I think it should be industrial people should be combined. I also think about my own company I have. So I think about the branch of my company is there. So Vietnam is a very nice location. It's almost geometrically almost central position of whole of Asia. Also economically, you have a benefit. Not so much, how to say, employment fee. That you benefit to make out to the production. China already this kind of stage, but maybe next is a Vietnam. So this kind of area. So you have a benefit. You can call to the Japanese company to make up the factory. Also, maybe already some of the company already come here too.
Professor Tamiya, thank you very much for spending your time with us today and sharing some very valuable information. Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. Thank you.
Well, that's all for our Sharing Vietnam today. Hopefully, Vietnam will strongly enhance nanotechnology cooperation with Japan and other advanced countries for better health of the people. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time.